That's my target.
Oh,
Jesus.
That was my target. Oh, it's still there. We're good. Don't run it over, please. He's running it over. Thank you.
Why is he trying to go back up? Well, here's the thing with your target. I think your target will survive. Maybe not the 2x4, but the bottom of this truck. That might not do so well against
not
your
my
target.
truck. See if it survived. It did not. It is in the dirt. Huh.
It's just out there wobbling.
Dude, that rattling noise is making me cringe so bad.
It's that like decking shit
Oh,
in the back of this truck. But
Is he
his
trying to
guns
make
are
his
also
truck
probably
look like
rattling
Ty's?
real
Because
bad.
It took
Oh,
Ty
yeah.
5 years to get his truck to look like that.
He has expendable money, so.
he does have a ridiculous amount.
Where does he get it all from?
He wants it.
Pretty sure it's like stocks or crypto or something.
Yeah, I think
it has to be.
He's actually Walter White.
He's actually just been selling coke out of Alamogordo. He's the reason we have a homeless
Oh,
Ooh, hit a rock.
yeah, that was a fun noise. I don't know where he's going.
It ain't going in limp mode yet.
I could buy fucking fun toys and you can't, what's that? Yeah, true.
Round 2's a super outback.
That'd be funny if it just
That
made
would
it
be
right
really
away.
funny.
If fucking Super just makes it right up.
I kind of want to just go around and just fucking just fly past him, but there's way too much weight in the back of the fucking thing right now.
You know, of all the times, I feel like right now would be the best time for my truck. There is no weight in the back.
Do you want to just go blow past and be kind of funny? I mean, fucking at your own risk, financially, of course, and physically. But I mean, do you think backing up was gonna go better?
I mean, he was doing all right at an angle, but that
Not
fan,
getting up that
you got
sheer-ass cliff at
that
the top.
fan running.
Is he trying to fight the angle of the cliff, or is he just trying to get to the top of the cliff?
Nope, no, we're gonna go back over it again.
There he goes.
I heard something about this on the internet the other day. Call it retard maxing.
Doing
All right, well, I'm gonna bring the Subaru in the foreground of the shot here now. I need to get some fucking purpose.
I'll meet you down there.
Well, mate.
I'm just waiting for him to flip it. This is going to go viral if he flips it. Oh, God. This guy really is kind of retarded. Oh, he almost fucking went over. Oh, he's teetering. Well, I guess he gave up. Or not. So that's the way he should have went in the first place.
Oh, look at that. Look how fast that was. Ah, yes, going up a 70-degree angle versus 40.
Well, I guess he made it. That looks very sheer. Oh.